Little seeds deep in the ground, sleeping quietly, making no sound. But when the rain falls and the sun shines bright, they start to wake and grow up bright. How do plants grow? Can you see? Water, sunlight, and soil are the key. Roots go down, leaves reach high. They grow and grow to touch the sky. Roots drink water way down low, bringing it up to help them grow. Leaves catch sunlight, green and bright, making food by day and night. When the wind blows, seeds take flight, landing softly out of sight. They find a home in the soil below, and with some care they start to grow. The rain comes down, drop by drop, feeding the roots. It never stops. The sun above shines bright and warm, helping plants to take their form. Some grow flowers, big and wide. Others grow fruits with seeds inside. Trees grow tall with branches spread, giving homes where birds are fed. Oh, how do plants grow? Can you see? Water, sunlight, and soil are the key. Roots go down, leaves reach high. They grow and grow to touch the sky. Flowers bloom with colors so sweet, fruits and veggies for us to eat. From tiny seeds, life begins. Nature's magic, it never ends. Plants clean our air, they give us shade. They help our world, the earth they've made. With every plant, a new life begins. Let's take care of them, our leafy friends. Gardens bloom with colors bright, filling the world with pure delight. Each little plant has a job to do, making our planet healthy for me and you. How do plants grow? Now we know. They need care to thrive and show. Water, sunlight, soil so neat. Helping plants grow is so